Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me the homeopathic remedy Aesculus hippocastenum. The common name, as we all remember, is horse chestnut and its natural order is Sapendiaceae. We are dealing here with the part 2a, mnemonic, and the text is taken up from the Allen's keynote with certain modifications and additions. This text best suited to the BHMS students, interns, MD, UPSC and PSC aspirants. So let us go ahead, friends. The keyword for mnemonic is varicose, and V stands here for venous congestion, A stands for acrid leukorrhea, R stands for rectum dryness of heat, I stands for irritability of temper, C stands for constipation, O stands for obstinate lumbago, and S suggests sensitive throat, and E is for engorged piles. So let us see how this keyword varicose gives us the recall of the remedy. V stands for venous congestion, where fullness in various parts as if of undue amount of blood is present, especially in the heart, lung, stomach, brain, pelvis, skin. This venous congestion especially involves the portal system and leads to formation of hemorrhoids. A stands for acrid leukorrhea, and leukorrhea when walking or stooping must sit or lie down with lumbosacral backache and great fatigue, especially from walking. The R stands for rectal dryness and heat. Rectum is dry and there is a sensation of heat, and also the patient feels as if the rectum is full of sticks. Knife-like pains shoot up in the rectum. Some of the remedies which are important for this symptom include ignatia and sulfur. Rectum is sore with fullness, burning and itching. Please don't forget sulfur. I stands for irritability of temper. The patient is despondent, gloomy, very irritable, loses temper easily and gains control slowly, miserable and cross, just like somewhat similar to chamomilla. Now C stands for constipation. The stool is hard and dry, difficult to pass with dryness and heat of rectum. O stands for obstinate lumbago, and the lumbago is severe dull ache in the lumbosacral articulation. More or less it is constant, affecting sacrum and hips. Back gives out during pregnancy. S stands for sensitive throat. Please remember follicular pharyngitis. There is violent burning, raw sensation in throat, dryness and roughness of throat, frequent inclination to swallow with burning, pricking, stinging and dry constricted fauces. Similar remedy you will find Apis and belladonna. E stands for engorged piles, and engorged piles tells us that hemorrhoids are blind, they are painful, burning, purplish, rarely bleed. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Thanks once